I really don't feel like using my OBS right now, so I'm just gonna use this. So today we're gonna talk about enhanced risk in planes. We're gonna move Epic Pen over here. So we're gonna be talking about enhanced risk in the planes tomorrow. For now, let's talk about the slight risk in the planes. So today we have a slight risk. We have a 2% tornado risk, 5% wind, and 15% hail. So it's a hail driven. So it's a hail driven. And I think most of the 2% ain't even in the 15. Yeah. But we don't need to go into an in-depth explanation of that. Let's get into the in-depth explanation of this though in the next couple of days. So you see how we have a big slide across parts of the Midwest plains, Arkansas, Ozarks, and yeah, that is basically our main threat. But you can see how we have an enhanced across the Ozarks. That is going to be our main threat because we have. Oh yeah, and also you have a little thing in Oregon that could have gone slight yesterday. We have a 10% tornado risk, and we have 10 sig actually. This is the 10 sig right here. This is the 10 sig right here. Basically, anyone in the 10 sig, you should be safe. Stay safe, I mean. So that about we have a 30% hatch wind, 30% hail. Now let's go on Piv. Let's go on Pivotal. Let's go look at some soundings. I forgot that we can only look 18 hours out, so we can't look at the HRRR just yet. So I just took this NAM sounding in Missouri, and we do have a decent photograph. We have pretty good thermos. Not the best. I mean, we don't have a cap, but also the warm sector might get washed. We have very low LCLs, which could mean some wedges. We have decent shear, and we have decent SRH, and we have this stuff. I think it's kinematics. I don't know. I forget. Also, forget about this. We don't look at this. We don't look at this. I don't care if it says PDS tour. There's no PDS tours. Okay? We also don't look at this or this. Or this. We have lapse rates of 7.5, which does kind of present the hail threat. We have decape of 1018, which is why I can see the headwind. And yeah, let's see what the wrap has to say. And the wrap can only go up to 21. And that's oh, oops, you're sounding. Failed to load. I could check Sunday 06Z. What? Bro. Name 3K is being stupid. HRW FV3. Saying none, of course. Let's see. Let's use surface-based cape. And because we're going to check the GFS now. I don't think we could check cape with the GFS. So let's pick an area. So I'm going to go pick off the sounding real quick. Since the NAM is the only model up right now, I'm going to be using that one. But later on, I might make a update when we get further out with like the HRRR. We do have a pretty decent autograph still. More of this. Decape of 925, so that's an area of less of a wind. SRH values are pretty low. Shear is pretty bad. Thermals, we have a bit of an EML, and if you don't know what that is, that's something that someone else is going to have to tell you because I forget how to explain it, but I know what an EML is though. Lapse rates still around the same, but a bit less. Let's check what the GFS is going to say, because the GFS is very long range. So the GFS, bro, what is a skinny thermal? There's decent thermals, decent. Bad decape. I mean decent. I mean down T, 3K 92. SRH values and shear are very low. I mean, decent. I'm trying to say low, but we also have a decent photograph. And yeah. Oh yeah, we can actually get in range of the HRRR here. Never mind. We have a bit of an EML again. Decent photograph. Thermos and SYN-H look better. LCL is a bit higher up. Shear and SRH still remain decent. Lapse rate's still around the same. DK lower. This is just about what is forecasting. This is 21 hours out. Ooh, what is this photograph? You can see how the wrap just wants to have two huge EML things. No thermals at all, and DK pretty good. Shear and SRH pretty good. So, RDPS, let's see what the RDPS has to say. It's another long-range model. It also has a decent photographs. A bit of an EML. Oh yeah, decent thermals actually. High LCLs. Good kinematics, I guess. And pretty good lapse rates. We also have low shear and decent SRH. And yeah, that was just one area though. Let's go to another. Alright, I have found another sounding. We've more decent hodos. Bit of an EML, skinny hodo. No, it's not skinny hodo, I meant skinny thermos. Bit of contamination. Decape of 792. SRH and shear look decent. Down T 59. 3K 55. Max T 83. And GT. Yeah. And SFC 7.2 CKM, 7.3 lapse rates. And yeah, let's see what the NAM and HRRR. Let's see what the HRRR has to say for this. HRRR has decent photographs, bit of an EML, pretty decent thermos, pretty decent SRH and shear. You know, they're on the same lapse rates as every other sounding. Shear and SRH. Oh yeah, I think I already said that. NAM. Okay, the NAM is being stupid because this ain't even a PDS Tour sounding, but they're saying that this is why you don't use this. You see, photographs are pretty decent. Bit of an EML. Cape, and also pretty good thermos. Pretty good thermos with the cape. Pretty good all over kinematics. SRH and shear look decent. SSC per kilometer. Lapse rates look a bit lower than all the others, but yeah. That is not a PDS Tour sounding, no. I just look there because I like to see what it's like, just to see how stupid this crap is. And an AM3K, of course, is contaminated because it's an AM3K. But that's a pretty good autograph, though. So it is. I would look at more soundings, but I don't feel like it right now. So this is just a short little update on severe weather. So yeah.